Hi, my name is Durga Rao and I am going to be the instructor for this course on analysis of beams consisting of 50 lecture videos and is designed for learners with little knowledge of statics. The course is aimed at a beginner to an intermediate level of understanding. Beams cover a vast portion of basic strength or mechanics of materials course and is a prerequisite to many advanced subjects of undergraduate studies. The core principles of beams and strength of materials in general apply to many disciplines, namely mechanical engineering, production or manufacturing engineering, civil engineering, aeronautical engineering, and architectural engineering, to name a few. In this course, you shall first learn how to calculate the internal resisting forces and moments developed within any cross-section along the beam's length in response to the applied loads and applied moments, and then plot the corresponding values in the form of diagrams. From this, you shall be able to calculate the maximum bending and shear stresses induced that may be responsible for failure if the permissible stress limits of the beam material are exceeded. Failure may also happen due to excessive deformations. Hence, you shall also learn how to calculate the slopes and transverse deformations called deflections. The information obtained through the bending and shear stresses and slopes and deflections is useful for the design and construction of structures, ensuring safety and stability. A number of examples shall be solved for various beam types and loadings, starting with the most basic to reasonably complex ones. To make the subject simple to understand, the course does not delve much into the rigorous derivation aspects of underlying formulas, but more attention shall be given for the actual usage of the formulas in solving a given problem instead. A small but sufficient number of practice examples shall be listed at the end of every core topic. While it is advised to take notes during the lectures, yet apart from the lecture videos, electronic documents of the whiteboard material used shall also be appended for ready reference. Hope to see you in the course. Happy learning.